Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Asana to organize your tasks and projects but find it easier to work in your own language, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step by step how to change the language in Asana so you can make your workspace feel more natural and boost your productivity. Stick with me until the end. This will be quick, easy, and super useful. So, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Asana login page. Enter the email address linked to your account, click Continue, then type in your password and hit Login. Once you're inside your Asana dashboard, look up at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or avatar. Click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. A new window or tab will pop up with several options. Here, click on the Display tab. This is where you can personalize how Asana looks and feels for you. Now, under the Language section, click the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of available languages. Simply choose your preferred language from the list. The moment you do, Asana will instantly refresh, and your entire interface will update into the language you selected. That's it. In just a few clicks, you've customized Asana to match the language you're most comfortable with. The key benefit here is usability. Working in your native or preferred language makes everything clearer and smoother. And the best part, you can come back anytime to the same setting and switch languages again if you need to. So to recap, log into Asana. Go to your profile settings. Click on Display. Choose your preferred language and enjoy a personalized, easier experience. Changing the language isn't just about convenience. It's about making sure Asana works the way you want it to. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. And if you've got any questions about Asana or other productivity tools, drop them in the comments. I'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.